Welcome to a Waddell Manufacturing Product Knowledge tutorial. Today I'll be instructing you on how to install Waddell table legs using the woodworking assembly. A distinguishing characteristic of the woodworking table leg is the top square design with the chamfer edge. There are 4 styles of woodworking table legs. Today I'm going to show you this assembly using the country pine table leg. Waddell's table legs can be finished using paint or stain. All finishing should be done prior to installation. For today's demonstration, I'm going to be using a set of unfinished table legs. Before we begin, please make sure that you have all the necessary installation hardware and tools that you may need. You will need 1 tabletop, 4 woodworking table legs, 4 corner plate mount kits, 4 skirt fasteners, and 8 wood screws. Let's get started.
First, you need to decide how long you would like your skirts to be. If your skirts are relatively short, your table legs will be closer towards the center of the tabletop. On the other hand, making your skirting too long could cause the table legs to be exposed from the edges of the tabletop. Here I am making a series of measurements to determine the length of my skirting. Now cut all your skirting to length. Next, make a mark 1 inch from both ends of each skirt. Use a miter box and saw to cut a 1/4 inch deep slit on the mark. This will allow for our corner plates to be installed. Now use a corner plate to mark the screw hole on the skirting and drill pilot holes for the wood screws. Now assemble the skirting separate from the tabletop. Next, we need to attach the skirting to the bottom of the tabletop using Waddell skirt fasteners. Make sure that the skirting lines up with the marks you made on the tabletop earlier. Then use a pencil to mark the holes of the skirt fasteners for drilling pilot holes. After you are finished drilling the pilot holes, use the provided wood screws along with the skirt fasteners to attach the skirt. Mark and drill a 9/32 inch hole on the chamfer edge, or the flattened corner, of each table leg. Insert the provided hanger bolt into the pre-drilled hole on the chamfer edge of the table leg. To do this, leave the lock nut on the end of the bolt and use it to tighten the bolt all the way into the table leg. Then give the lock nut a quick counterclockwise turn to loosen it, and take the lock nut all the way off. Once all of the hanger bolts are installed and the lock nuts are taken off, it's time to attach the table legs. Simply place the legs bolt through the corner plate and use the lock nut to tighten it into place. Thanks for watching another Waddell Manufacturing product knowledge tutorial.